Hi friends, Caroline here, sharing with you some of my creations in the kitchen and beyond as of late while self-isolating and social distancing back on the east coast of the mainland. A lot is fueled by cacao. I have a discount code for my favorite brand. It's in the description box. I recently had juice. This one is Zest, delivered from a local sort of health food shop cafe. And I also got this sandwich. It's sort of a vegan chickpea, meant to be chicken salad spoof, and it's really good. I've been trying to eat kapha pacifying foods, and both of those did the trick. On my nightstand, I have some art from Boulder and a lovely chest, breast, and yoni serum from Moon and Rock. Definitely everything you see here, part of my sort of daily routine, and it's a mini altar. At home, I have my little mini loom I got a few Christmases back, and I didn't bring it with me when I was traveling, but being home with it now has given me space to create once more. This one is not finished just yet. I'm going to dip dye the ends that you can't really see here with some avocado pits and peels. I'll probably post an update of how that goes on Instagram if you want to pop over there in a few days. This yarn I love. There's even some wool in it. It's hand spun, made from another loom weaving artist scraps, and there's little bits of glitter and pops of color, and it's just way more fun than the usual yarns you can find in a general craft store. My favorite creation as of late might have been this gluten-free, dairy-free, in my case egg-free, they just do not work for me, cinnamon roll that I made for Mother's Day, and it is so good. My brothers enjoyed it, my mom enjoyed it, and that's the main goal, right? And yeah, topped with salted maple icing. I got this recipe from a Patreon creator, Tara. I'll link her in the description as well. More natural dyeing occurred because my Hara pants, these really groovy, well-loved, even though I only had them for a year, bamboo pants needed an update. The ends, just from living in Ireland and then on a farm in Hawaii, had gotten super weathered especially, so this dye bath brightened them and kind of made it like a yellow-orange tie-dye, which I'm really into. Not what I expected for how it to turn out, but it worked, and the bottoms are more like bright yellow and less grungy brown, so I'm happy with that. Lots of orange colors as of late because I also made a tulsi, citrus, and some added goodness that I won't share just yet. Soaking elixir, so to say, and it could also work as a floor bath. And this recipe will come out in a little book I'm co-creating with a dear sister of mine, Esme of BU and More. It was divine. I felt so good afterwards. And more water. Lots of common threads in the last week and a half of my life. This was out on a boat nearby where I live. After that, I got to work. This was yesterday, Friday, creating a virtual portal for the summer solstice. Since I can't host yoga gatherings or cacao ceremonies, I'm shifting online, and that means I want my website to be as beautiful as my in real life offering. So I did some design updates, some coding, I felt like my brothers, and this portal I'm co-creating with some other goddess guides and witches, teachers, artists, and it'll launch mid-June. Just like pay if and what you can rates, all that good stuff. So it's pretty accessible, and yeah, you'll get a password and you can access 15 plus modules to celebrate the solstice. I enjoyed the sun all weekend long. It's currently beautiful out, and after I'm done recording this, I'm definitely hopping outside. These lilacs, I clipped some and brought them inside, and they're now resting on my desk, and they smell amazing, even though they're kind of wishing they were outside still. So that's been my recent days, really since the full moon, which really stirred a lot for me and reminded me of my inner truths and core values, and have realigned a lot of my offerings and how I want to share both here and beyond. More of that you can see through the Letha Summit, so I'll link that below and you can check it out. Send me any questions as well, and if you need a discount code, I'm offering those needs based, but more info on that will come. So thank you for watching, and blessed be.